In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Retool app with users. Sharing is how you control who can run, edit, or fully manage your app. So let's walk through it clearly and make sure everything is set up correctly. First, open your app in the Retool editor. Being in the editor view matters because that's where the sharing controls live and where you can see the app's current permissions. If you don't have access to the editor for this app, check with your workspace admin to ensure you have the right permissions before continuing. Next, look to the top right corner of the editor and click the Share button. This opens the Share modal, which is your hub for inviting people and setting their level of access. Take a moment to get familiar with this window. It's where you'll specify who gets in and what they're allowed to do. Inside the Share modal, enter the email address of the user you want to invite. Double-check the spelling and make sure it's the email they use for work or for your Retool workspace. Using the correct email helps avoid bounced invites and ensures access is granted to the right person. If the person isn't already a member of your Retool workspace, they won't be able to use the app just yet. In that case, an admin can invite them to join the workspace so they can accept access and sign in successfully. Now choose the appropriate access level. Use is the most limited option. It lets someone run the app without making changes. This is ideal for end users who need to interact with the app's UI and workflows. Edit allows the person to modify the app's configuration, components, and queries. Give this to teammates who actively build or maintain the app. Own grants full control over the app, including managing permissions. Reserve this for trusted owners or administrators. As a best practice, follow the principle of least privilege. Start with the lowest level someone needs to do their job and adjust later if necessary. When you're happy with the email and access level, send the invite. The recipient will receive an email with a link to the app. If they're already part of your Retool workspace, they can open it right away. If they aren't, an admin will need to invite them to the workspace first so they can join and then access the app. If the invite doesn't appear, remind them to check their spam or promotions folder. That's it. Your app is now shared with the right people, with the right level of control.